I'm sorry, but that's not who I am. I tell the honest truth, and that's my honest opinion. Hi, my friends. Welcome back to another review. For today's video, we are trying out these KUTOOK, or KUTOOK, maybe? I'm sorry if I mispronounced the brand name. I'm not that good at pronouncing names, but we got some gloves and we got some pants that we're going to be trying. The gloves are size large and the pants are size large for US and the EU. For Asia, they would be X large. So let's get started and try the gloves out. Gloves are going to be great for different things like, in my personal case, they'll be good for ATVing and dirt biking, doing stuff outside. Snowmobile eventually when we get a snowmobile, but that's in the future. You guys don't want to see this boring part. By the way, here's the brand name if you guys are curious. KUTOOK. I like that they have the little strap that connects them together. That way you don't ever lose a pair, or not a pair, but lose one of the gloves. A lot of people wonder what this is for. This is for placing around your wrist, and then when you put the glove on. So if something would happen, you know, you could easily pull your glove off without losing your glove, which makes it really nice. Not many gloves have that feature, but the ones that do definitely get a plus in my opinion. Well, it fits like a glove, that's for sure. And you guys can also tuck this away if you don't use it. But to use it, it's simple. Just place your hand in there like that, and you're good to go. All right, let's go over a couple things here. So for the strap, to make it tight, you just simply pull this, and that makes it tight around your wrist. You could also make it tight here by just pulling. So by pulling, that makes it tight. You guys can see I can freely move my fingers, which that's a big plus. That makes it great for, even chopping wood and stuff. You also have a pocket on top here. It's not crazy big, but it's big enough for a hand warmer, maybe even a small, yeah, you could fit a power bank in there. Gloves are definitely warm, very nice insulated. The outside is nice. It does remind me it could be pretty waterproof. There is breathable mesh at the top, but yeah, they look very nice. Obviously, like future products, we'll be doing videos actually live testing these, but for the first initial reaction, they're definitely nice gloves. I do like them a lot. Drawstring is easy to make everything loose. You just pull up. So this is a feature that's really nice. You just simply pull up and it makes the glove loose. Yeah, these are really nice. And the nice thing about them is they're not over bulk. Like, they're not too bulky, and that can get very frustrating. Alright guys, so now we're going to try out the pants. Gloves definitely get a scoot win, so that is definitely a good thing. Now the pants. Pants, on the other hand, are a little different story because it's hard to get pants that actually fit nice. Oh yeah, you can tell how weatherproof these are already just by feeling them. They do feel like they could be a little stiff, so I'll be very curious to try them out. But there's pockets on the back. Oh wow, they're insulated too. Very nice. Insulated pockets, they don't zip on the back. You have a zippered front pocket, which is medium deep. You have another zippered side pocket. You also have another pocket, oh my goodness, that's around your knee, maybe thigh. And is there another one? And you have another pocket. So you got 4 pockets in the front. Alright, let's go ahead and try them on. And by the way, they are a buttoned, so you just simply pop it in and zipper it down. Very nice. Okay. They're definitely tight, but you don't, I mean, in my personal opinion, I would rather have them tighter than too loose, because tight, I mean, they do expand, so. Alright, first of all, one thing I noticed right away is they're insulated. The inside is nice and insulated, so they're definitely going to be great for hunting or doing things outside when it's winter time or cold temperatures. Yeah, so the pockets are semi-deep. Let's go ahead and drop this down. So, a little stiff. Of course, the pants are new, so as you wear them, they're going to loosen up as they get worn. But I can easily move down, so even though they're a little stiff, I can easily freely move. Little limited with kicking. I could definitely kick higher, but I don't think you're going to be karate chopping any deer. I mean, you might be, but yeah, I like them a lot. Pockets are nice. They're big enough for cell phones, for hand warmers, for small power banks. I like them, guys. What I like is when you bend down, you barely can see, like the pants don't come down like some of the pants do, if you guys know what I mean. But overall, very nice. I do like them. They are a little tight, but again, I think that after you wear them for a couple times, they'll loosen up just a little bit. Yeah, I like them. I like the black too. They blend nice. Overall, I'm happy, guys. I am happy with them. No complaints here. So with the gloves and the pants, they both get a scoot, which means I approve of them. And that's my honest opinion. Nobody ever tells me, well, people tell me what to say, and I'm like, I'm sorry, but that's not who I am. I tell the honest truth, and that's my honest opinion. I like them a lot. Thanks, guys. See you in the next one. Woo!